If you are watching this, your organization is likely standing at a crossroads. You are probably operating on a legacy SAP ERP system, a system that has served you well for years. But like the intricate machine on the left side of your screen, it's becoming heavy. It's full of complex gears, outdated customizations, and it requires immense effort just to keep running. It works, but it was not built for the speed of today's digital economy. Today, we are going to demystify the journey from the old word to the new word, SAP S4 HANA. As you can see on the right, S4 HANA is not just a software upgrade, it's a transformation into an intelligent, cloud ready brain for your business. It's about moving from reactive, complex processes to proactive real time insights. Many beginners find the idea of this migration daunting. They fear data loss, downtime, and business disruption, and that is understandable. But what I want to convince you of today is that with the right methodology, this is not a leap of faith. It is a calculated, structured engineering process. Over the next 10 steps, we will walk through exactly how we take your valuable data, refine it, and place it into a future proof engine. Let's begin. A successful migration does not happen by accident. It happens by design. Before we touch a single line of code or move a single byte of data, we enter the planning phase. As you see here, this is where business leaders and technical experts come together to define the roadmap. This is not just an IT project, it's a business transformation project. We look at the flowchart on the board. This is our Bible. We start with assessment. What do you currently have? What are your pain points? Then preparation, getting your team and infrastructure ready. Followed by the core technical phases of data migration and testing, leading up to the final go live. The most critical decision made here is the approach. Are we doing a greenfield implementation, starting fresh and redesigning processes, or a brownfield conversation, bringing your existing landscape over and optimizing it, or perhaps a mix of both? There is no single right answer, only the right answer for your business goals. This planning stage ensures everyone is aligned on the destination and the route we are talking to get there. Once we have a plan, we need to check the foundation. You would not build a new house on shaky ground, and you cannot migrate to S4HANA without ensuring your current environment is capable of making the jump. This is the SAP S4HANA readiness check. Think of it as a comprehensive medical scan for your IT landscape. We run sophisticated tools that analyze your current SAP ECC system against the requirements of S4HANA. Look at the screen. We are checking database compatibility, operating system versions, and hardware sizing. But more importantly, we are identifying things that different things that won't work in the new world. Are there business functions you use today that have changed significantly in S4HANA? Seeing those green check marks give us the technical confidence that the path ahead is clear. If we see red, we fix it now before it becomes a critical issue during the actual migration. Now the heavy lifting begins. We enter the ETL phase: extract, transform, and load. The first step visualized here is extraction. On the left is your legacy database. Over decades, it has accumulated terabytes of data: financial records, material masters, customer history, but it also holds a lot of digital dust, obsolete data, duplicate records, and information you no longer need to for legal or business reasons. Moving to S4HANA is the perfect opportunity for spring cleaning. We don't just dump everything into the new system, we define sophisticated rules to extract only the relevant, active, and necessary data. These blue blocks represent your valuable information being carefully pulled from the old racks and siphoned into the migration pipeline. This selective extraction reduces the size of your new database, saving costs and improving performance right from the day one. This next step is perhaps the most crucial in the entire technical process: data transformation. Notice how the blue blocks entering the pipe on the left turn into clean, white, uniform blocks on the right. This illustrates the fundamental change your data must undergo. Your old ECC system and the new S/4HANA system speak slightly different dialects. S/4HANA uses a simplified data model. It gets rid of redundant tables and aggregates data on the fly. Therefore, the data we extracted must be mapped and converted to fit this new linear structure. Furthermore, this is where we cleanse the data. We fix formatting errors, standardize addresses, and merge duplicate customer records. If your data is messy going in, your insights will be messy coming out. Garbage in, garbage out methodology. This transformation engine ensures that the fuel going into your new S/4HANA engine is pure, high octane, and structured perfectly for real-time analysis. So now let's go to the final step, that is the final stage. So the final stage of ETL process is the loading. The transformed, cleansed data reaches its destination. Look at the target system on the right. This is not just another server rack. This represents the SAP HANA in-memory database. Unlike traditional databases that store data on slow spinning disks, HANA stores data in high-speed RAM. As the clean blocks are loaded in S/4HANA, they are not just stored, they are organized for blistering speed. Because of the simplified data model we discussed during transformation, the data takes up less space and can be retrieved almost instantly. This loading process is often done in several waves during project, culminating in a final delta load just before you go live to cache the very latest transactions. Your new digital brain is now full of knowledge and ready to think. We have moved the standard data, but what about the customizations? Over the years, your company has likely written special reports, interfaces, and programs, what we call Z code, to fit your specific needs. A major fear for beginners is, will my custom code break? The honest answer is, some of it might. But that's why we have the custom code adaptation phase. S/4HANA is faster because it works differently. Old code written 10 years ago doesn't know how to utilize the speed of HANA database efficiently. In this image, you see a developer using specialized tools to scan your legacy code. The system identifies the exact lines that are incompatible with S/4HANA or are written inefficiently. We don't just patch it, we optimize it. We rewrite sections of that code to ensure it runs lightning fast on the new platform. It's about ensuring your unique business advantages make the transition with you. So, we have migrated the data, we have adopted the code, but we do not assume anything works until we prove it. We now enter the rigorous testing and validation phase. This is where your business users get involved. We simulate real world scenarios. Does the sales order process work end to end? Are the financial reports accurate down to the penny when compared to the old system? Does the new system integrate correctly with your warehouse scanners or your bank? As you can see on the monitor, we track every metric: financial testing, performance testing, and crucial user acceptance testing (UAT). Seeing those green indicators is not just satisfying, it's mandatory. We test, we find bugs, we fix them, we test again until the system is rock solid. We only move forward when the business owners sign off with total confidence. So this was one of the very crucial steps of this migration. So months of planning, extraction, Cleaning, coding, and testing lead to this comment, the go live. This usually happens over a weekend, often called the cutover weekend. It's precisely choreographed event. We shut down the old legacy system for the last time. We perform the final data migration of the very latest transactions. We flip the switch to connect your business operations to the new S/4HANA environment. The atmosphere in the mission control room is tense but confident because we have practiced this. When that countdown hits zero and the button is pushed, your organization officially steps into the future. The cheering you see is not just relief that the project is over. It's actually the realization that a new era has just begun. So, finally, we arrive at the why. Why go through this effort? Look at the executive in this image. He is no longer waiting days for month-end close reports. He is not relying on gut feelings because his data is trapped in silos. He is holding real-time business insights in his hand. Post-migration, your business runs on a simplified landscape. Processes that took hours now take minutes. You have a single source of truth for your financial and operational data. You have a platform ready for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. The migration to SAP S/4HANA is a significant undertaking, but it is the necessary step to move from just running your business to truly optimizing it for the future. The journey is structured, the methods are proven, and the destination is worth it. Hope you like this video. For any question, please write in comments. Please like and share this video.